Yo, what's up, fam? It's your boy, welcome, and today we're diving deep into the world of push-ups. You know them, you might love them, or maybe you think they're too basic, but let me tell you, push-ups are a powerhouse for building serious muscle, especially when you know how to switch things up. If you're hitting a plateau, or just want to maximize your gains, you're in the right place. We're about to unlock explosive muscle growth with these 5 killer push-up variations. We've all been there. You're hitting your workouts hard, seeing some initial progress, and then, bam, you hit that dreaded plateau. It's like your muscles just refuse to grow any further. But don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common experience for many fitness enthusiasts and athletes. The truth is, our bodies are incredibly adaptive. If you keep doing the same exercises, the same way, eventually, your muscles adapt, and your progress slows down. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're putting in the effort and not seeing the results you want. So, what can you do to break through this plateau? The key is to switch things up. By introducing new exercises and variations, you can challenge your muscles in different ways, forcing them to adapt and grow stronger. This is why we're focusing on push-up variations today. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise that can be modified in countless ways to target different muscle groups and increase the intensity of your workouts. It's important to remember that progress doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, consistency, and a willingness to push yourself out of your comfort zone. By incorporating new push-up variations into your routine, you'll not only break through your plateau, but also build a more balanced and resilient physique. Let's dive into some of these push-up variations. First up, we have the diamond push-up. This variation targets your triceps and inner chest muscles. To perform a diamond push-up, place your hands close together under your chest, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. Lower your body down and push back up, keeping your elbows close to your sides. Next, we have the wide grip push-up. This variation emphasizes your chest muscles. Place your hands wider than shoulder width apart and perform a standard push-up. You'll feel the difference in how your chest muscles are engaged. Another great variation is the decline push-up. By elevating your feet on a bench or step, you increase the difficulty and target your upper chest and shoulders. Make sure to keep your core engaged and maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. For those looking to really challenge themselves, try the PLYOMETRIC push-up. This explosive movement involves pushing up with enough force to lift your hands off the ground. It's a fantastic way to build power and speed in your upper body. Finally, we have the stability ball push-up. By placing your hands on a stability ball, you engage your core and stabilizing muscles to maintain balance. This variation not only strengthens your chest and arms, but also improves your overall stability and coordination. So, if you're ready to take your push-up game to the next level and see some serious gains, then let's get started. Remember, the key to breaking through a plateau is to keep challenging yourself and never settle for the same old routine. With these push-up variations, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals and unlocking your full potential. First up, we're starting with the incline push-up. This exercise is perfect for those who are looking to build strength and improve their push-up form. It's a versatile move that can be done almost anywhere, making it a great addition to any workout routine. Don't let the name fool you. This variation is anything but easy. It challenges your muscles in a unique way, providing a different angle of resistance compared to the traditional push-up. This can help break through plateaus and keep your workouts fresh and exciting. Find yourself a bench, a sturdy chair, or even a staircase. The key is to choose an elevated surface that is stable and can support your body weight. This elevation reduces the amount of body weight you are lifting, making it a bit easier than a standard push-up, but still highly effective. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the elevated surface, keeping your body in a straight line from head to toe. This alignment is crucial for maintaining proper form and preventing injury. Engage your core to keep your hips from sagging and ensure that your body moves as a single unit. Now, lower your chest towards the edge of the surface, keeping your core engaged and elbows slightly tucked in. This movement should be controlled and deliberate, focusing on the muscles of your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Breathe in as you lower yourself down. Push back up to the starting position, feeling the burn in your upper chest and shoulders. Exhale as you push up, and make sure to fully extend your arms at the top of the movement. This is where you really engage those upper body muscles and build strength. The incline push-up is a great starting point if you're new to variations or want to gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. It's also an excellent option for those who may struggle with traditional push-ups due to wrist or shoulder issues, as the incline can reduce strain on these joints. It places less stress on your joints while still effectively targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. This makes it a fantastic exercise for building upper body strength without overloading your joints. Plus, as you get stronger, you can gradually decrease the incline to increase the difficulty, eventually working your way to a full push-up on the floor. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate incline push-ups into your regular workout routine, and you'll start to see improvements in your strength and endurance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, this exercise can help you achieve your fitness goals. So give the incline push-up a try and feel the difference it can make in your upper body workouts. Stay dedicated, keep pushing, and enjoy the journey to a stronger you. Now, let's turn things up a notch with the decline push-up. This exercise is a fantastic way to add variety to your push-up routine and target different muscle groups more effectively. This variation is where things start to get interesting. Unlike the standard push-up, the decline push-up shifts the focus to your upper chest and shoulders, making it a more challenging and rewarding exercise. Get yourself set up with your feet elevated on a bench or a sturdy chair. The elevation increases the difficulty, so choose a height that matches your fitness level. Beginners might start with a lower elevation, while advanced athletes can go higher. Remember, the higher the elevation, the more challenging this variation becomes. This is because the angle shifts more of your body weight onto your upper body, particularly your chest and shoulders. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the ground, maintaining that straight line from head to toe. This alignment is crucial for ensuring that you engage the correct muscles and avoid unnecessary strain on your joints. Lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your core tight and elbows slightly flared out. This controlled movement not only works your chest but also engages your core, helping to build overall stability and strength. Push back up explosively, feeling the intensity in your upper chest, shoulders, and triceps. This explosive movement helps to build power and muscle definition, making each rep count. The decline push-up puts more emphasis on your upper chest and shoulders, giving you that powerful, sculpted look. It's an excellent exercise for anyone looking to enhance their upper body strength and appearance. As you perform multiple reps, you'll start to feel the burn in your muscles. This is a good sign that you're working hard and making progress. Remember to keep your form in check and take breaks if needed. After completing your set, don't forget to stretch and cool down. This helps to prevent muscle soreness and aids in recovery, ensuring you're ready for your next workout session. The decline push-up is a challenging but rewarding exercise that can take your fitness routine to the next level. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and enjoy the results of your hard work. Let's shift our focus to the triceps with the diamond push-up. This variation is all about precision and control. Get into a standard push-up position, but instead of shoulder-width apart, bring your hands together, forming a diamond shape with your index fingers and thumbs. Lower your body down towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your sides and your core engaged. Push back up, feeling the burn in your triceps. The diamond push-up is a game changer for building those horseshoe triceps, giving you that extra strength and definition. Get ready to unleash your inner beast with the plyometric push-up. This variation is all about explosive power. Start in a standard push-up position, hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your chest towards the ground, then explode upwards with enough force to lift your hands off the ground. As you land, absorb the impact and immediately transition into the next repetition. The plyometric push-up is not for the faint of heart. It's a true test of strength, power, and coordination. But trust me, the results are worth it. Now, let's target those chest muscles from different angles with the archer push-up. This variation is all about control and isolation. Start in a standard push-up position, but with your hands wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body towards the ground, but instead of going straight down, shift your weight to one side, bending that arm while keeping the other arm straight. Push back up to the starting position and repeat on the other side. The archer push-up is a masterclass in muscle control and isolation, allowing you to target each side of your chest independently for balanced muscle growth. Out of all the variations we've covered today, The plyometric push-up takes the crown for unlocking explosive muscle growth. Why? Because it combines strength training with explosive power, forcing your muscles to work harder and adapt faster. The explosive movement of the plyometric push-up activates more muscle fibers, leading to greater muscle protein synthesis and ultimately, more significant muscle growth. Plus, the plyometric push-up improves your overall athleticism, enhancing your speed, power, and coordination. So, there you have it. Fam, 5 killer push-up variations to ignite your muscle growth and take your training to the next level. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these variations into your workouts regularly, and you'll start seeing those gains in no time. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which variation you're most excited to try. And if you're ready to level up your bodyweight training even further, make sure you check out my next video on advanced bodyweight exercises. Keep pushing your limits, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.